Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Really quick check-in about week 11. So, the week 11, we have two lectures, one for the medical record, which is really interesting. I also use it in my law and ethics class. I think you'll get a lot out of it. You should understand what a medical record is and the impact that it has on healthcare. Writing is a part of the medical record, correct? So, you need to understand how do you write in the medical record and how do I interpret it. Further, there is an outline about portfolio, right? Because that's one of the course content items that we discuss in this week's lecture. So the portfolio outline lecture is at the bottom. For some reason, I could not upload the video like I do with my other YouTube lectures, so I put the link instead. So you'll have to click on that to access the video. If you run into any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You also have a week 11 review, which is due, of course, in the standard due date by Wednesday at midnight for your initial post, and then your replies on Sunday by end of day. If you have any questions, again, don't hesitate to reach out. I look forward to hearing from you, and I can help you along the way right with your, what is that? The paper. So make sure if you're submitting your paper and need help with format, you email me that paper because it's going to be due very, very soon. Reach out if you have any questions. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much.